That's perfect! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. We all love your train set. Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Forward leads to... Hey, let's go race at the quarry. We all love to race. Let's see who's the fastest in this cool race through the quarry. Tap as fast as you can. That was so much fun! Which toy will you choose now?